Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to restore Google Authenticator on a new phone. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So for the first part of this tutorial, what you need to do is to restore from the cloud. So to do that, just install Google Authenticator on your new phone. And if you've updated Google Authenticator on your primary device after April 2023, then haven't turned off cloud backup, your authenticator codes can be easily restored from the cloud. Then after that, just sign in with your Google account. So once you're signed in, your Google Authenticator codes will be restored. So you should then see all of your accounts, all of the accounts for which you use Authenticator on app's main screen. So if you use Authenticator, force two-step verification to log into your Google account but don't have access to Authenticator on your old device, you'll need to restore your Google account to get back in. And to do this, just simply go to this link right here. So just type in this link. And after that, what you can do next, and if you're still logged in after doing this step, so if Google Authenticator wasn't back up to the cloud, check your signed in accounts. So if you don't have access to your original phone or installation of Authenticator, you might be in luck if you're still logged in into your accounts. So if you can still access accounts you sign into with Authenticator, you can reset or temporarily disable the 2FA, which is possible on Discord, Microsoft, and other services on those sites. So the process will differ for each site, service, or app, but you'll usually find the option to set up a new device in your security or authentication settings. So some services will display a QR code or a key that you can enter into the Authenticator app on your phone or reset it. And just don't forget to check all your devices to see if any are still logged in. So for example, if you log into your YouTube or on your PC or Mac, you can possibly still access your security settings there. And then next, if you are not logged in, so restore your access to your account. So this is what you will do if you are not logged in into the Google Authenticator. So if your email or phone number is linked to the accounts you've added to the Authenticator app, you should be able to cite or use the site or app's account recovery method to get back in. But if not, and you created backup codes for any of the sites you used to log in, you can use those codes to log back into each site and then set up Authenticator on your new device like you. So if you try to log in, you should be prompted for your authenticator code. So look around and click the try another way link so it may be worded differently. And once you log into your account, just reset the link to your authenticator. And then next, so this is for the transferring authenticator. So if you still have your phone. So to do that, just open the Google Authenticator app. So if you still have access to your old authenticator and aren't using cloud backup, you can easily restore all of your accounts onto a new device by scanning your QR code with that device. So the only way to recover authenticator if you've lost your phone and weren't using cloud backup is to back up your QR code in advance. So to make sure you're prepared in the future, you can also use this method to print your QR code and restore it someone or store it somewhere safe. And then next, after that, just tap onto the menu icon. So right here, so this will be the three vertical dots on an Android or the three horizontal lines on an iPhone. And after that, just tap into the transfer accounts. So this takes you to the export account screen, and that after is to continue or tap into the continue if you're using an iPhone, or tap into the get started if you're using an Android device. And after that, just select the accounts that you want to include in the transfer. So this can include non-Google services as well as any other Google accounts that are listed, and more than one code may prompt your phone to make multiple QR codes. And after that, just tap export or for your iPhone or iPad, or next if you're using an Android. So you'll immediately see a QR code on the screen, and if you have a new phone, open the Google Authenticator app, tap the plus button, and then just scan a QR code, and then hold your new phone up to the scan the QR code on your old phone screen. And if you don't have the new phone yet or want to save the code for later, you can take a screenshot and print it. And then on iPhone or iPad, you can freely screenshot each QR code. On some Android devices, you won't be able to take a screenshot of the QR code. Instead, you'll need to take a photo of the code using another device like your computer's webcam or other phone. And if you ever lose access to Authenticator, set up a new account, then tap scan a code when you're going through the setup. So this way, your account will be just like your old Authenticator account. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.